How to add pin on Roblox. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add pin on Roblox. So let's dive in. First, open your Roblox app and then you have to click this three dots on the bottom right corner, and now you have to scroll down and choose the settings option, and then you have to click this security option, and it's going to bring you to this page over here. And now you simply have to click this my settings option, and now you have to click this parental control option, and here you can see you have parent pin is disabled. You simply have to turn it on, and then you can add a pin over here. When this setting is enabled, you can add a pin and create a 4-digit pin and then confirm it and then click add. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.